What's up? On today's video, we're going to take a look at these ultra modern pure white curtains that go great in absolutely any space. They are 95% darkening and machine washable. These are 52 inches in width by 95, but they come in many different colors and many different dimensions. Stay tuned for the whole video. On this video, we're going to take a look at this blackout curtain that comes in 33 different colors and absolutely any width you can desire. So these are 95 inches down, which is about an 8-foot standard. You can also get these in 108. You can get these in really short ones, or you can get these as half width. They do have 1.6-inch grommets. In terms of the material is super bright white. Like, it is really white. There is no distinguishable pattern. They are just very smooth and almost velvety, but they're not velvety. In terms of blackout, you can see that it is still kind of bright out, and you can make out a little bit of light. So they're not 100% darkening. I would say they're about 90%. Now let me put my hand behind here so you can get an idea. Now this is my hand far. This is about 1.5 inches touching, and this is about 3.5–4 inches away. So pretty good. What do they look like when they're hung? They look beautiful. They look elegant. They do come with a bunch of creases, so you are definitely want to use a steamer. The reason is because they come folded. At the very bottom, you have just the stitching, not much else, and they feel nice and soft. Like I said, like velvet. Nothing bad to say about this, honestly. They look great with the blue contrast. Thanks for watching.